Place left sticker in the left shoe and the right sticker in the right shoe. When you place your shoes side by side, you should see a picture.
How to eat practice. How do I fix cereal? Aha! Pour a little bit of cereal in a bowl. Then pour a little of milk in a bowl. I fixed my breakfast. Ta-da! It's a beautiful morning.
Goo goo gaga, it's time to start the day.
I'm ready to start the day.
I'm sorry you feel that way. It's time to get up now.
Okay, Mommy. Hey, kids, which one is better? Wake up on time or ignore the alarm clock? This one. Sorry, Mommy, I'll wake up. Hey, kid, what should I do next? Make bed. I love to make my bed. I did a great job.
That is not how you make the bed, Goo Goo Gaga.
Hey kid, what's the correct way to make the bed? Make my bed neatly or put the cover and the pillow in my closet? This one. Hey kid, what should I do next? Brush teeth. Oh yeah, brush my teeth, baby.
Brushing your face is not the same as brushing your teeth.
Hey kid, which one is correct? Brush my teeth or brush my face? This one. Hey kid, what should we do next? Get dressed. Okay, let's go get dressed. I look great. Aha! I know what to do. Oh yeah.
That look is all wrong, Goo Goo Gaga.
I look okay, I guess.
You look a mess, dude.
Hey kids, what's the correct way to get dressed? Wear matching clothes or wear mismatched clothes? This one. Okay, I will put on the correct clothes. Oh yeah. Hey kid, what should I do next? Eat breakfast. Oh yeah, breakfast. This is so good. Let's pour some more sugar. Oh yeah, baby. Hey kid, which one is correct? Make a mess or make cereal correctly. This one. Good job. What should we do next? Go to school. Yeah, boy. It's time for school. See you later, Good Mom.
Have a great day.
Mom, you too.
Love you too.
I want to go to school. Hey, which one is correct? Go to school happy about going to school. This one. Hey, which one is correct? Go to school happy about going to school. This one. Hey kids, what is your morning routine? Comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel.
Stingy and it's This instrumental ballad is also
ベーコンレタス今月157円フィレオ新登場 I'm loving it
おいしい TNT
パラパパパ実はこれも
一はこれも
ふふふ